Welcome back to the show, everyone. This is your Jee Sifu at Chi Nature and Tina Dragon Taoism channel. Today, we're talking about divination, and this series that I'm going to post is all around the subject of divination. My goal is to teach everyone watching this series to be able to do divination at home. And you might think, it's gonna like get us to ordain. Well, yeah, I want you to get ordained, but you don't have to be ordained or get into my lineage to learn these things. Okay? So what I'm teaching you right now is things that you can do without committing or getting into my lineage. But if you do, it's going to amplify everything to be even better and even more powerful. Okay? So it's a freebie. It's a freebie. Okay? So this is lesson one, and I plan to keep the lessons a little bit shorter so that you are not going to be annoyed by the long videos. So, what is the first thing? What is divination? Let's get that cleared up. Divination is divine Asian. Like you have to talk to a divine. You're talking to a higher power, something not in this dimension. Okay? So you can't be just like, oh, let me take 3 coins, consult the book, right? Like people who are doing this is so foolish. You are thinking that, the coins are going to tell you some answers. The sticks are telling you some answer. The card is telling you some answers. You are just going crazy. It's not going to work. Okay? Anything like that, it's not going to work. Divination is not fortune telling because the future is to be shaped by you. Nothing is like made and then, people think that, oh, there's already a plot. I just walk through there, I do what the plot say, right? No, that's not how it works. That is not how life works. Your future is created by you and your action. You decide how to create that. It's up to you. So, what is the point of divination? First of all, divination. We're talking to a divine, a higher power, right? For us, the people in our lineage, you learn to cultivate with the gods in the lineage, right? So you will be talking to these gods with the divination method. You're talking to them, getting answers from them. Okay, for example, if I have to accept a disciple, I would ask God, do you like this guy? Do you accept him? Do you want him in the lineage before I actually get him in? Because it's the God that have to accept, right? Yeah. If I bought like this item and I want to use it for a magic tool, I would ask the God, do you like this thing as a magic tool? Do you approve it? Do what do you feel about this? I would ask the God first. So it's a way to talk to your God. For you guys, you're not getting in our lineage yet, right? But you could. So what you're doing, or at least what I'm teaching you in this series, you are going to talk to the God that you're born with. And this we call the Yuen Sun, which is your spiritual planetary body. Some people call that my higher self. Yeah, okay. Now, however, this higher self is not like, oh, it knows everything is the best. It's going to like take me the right way. No, nope, nope, nope. Okay. You have to like install these wisdom into it by learning the stuff that I'm teaching. So I have to go the long way and explain everything to you thoroughly. So as you learn and understand, you're putting these things into the Yun San. You're teaching the Yun San all these metaphysics knowledge. And then because of that, the method that you use, it will understand and know how to use that to talk to you. Okay, so you're not born with all these things. You're born with the God. Okay, it's kind of like you have a AI or something. You have to train it. Okay, so I am now giving you the data which you can feed into this AI, and now you have your own GPT. Kind of like that. So now after all that learning, you can use it. Okay? So you don't need to get ordained or initiated to do this. You need to like believe and follow my teachings in the series. As you go, you'll learn step by step how to do divination with your own God. Okay, it has nothing to do with religion or whatever, because we all is born with one God like that. You're all born with it, and you don't need to be in any groups or religion to do this divination. Now, some examples of divination that my disciple would do every day. For example, you wake up and you want to check my spiritual weather. How am I doing today in the deeper layer of me? Right? So I know, oh, today my energy flow is like this. I will just like avoid doing these things, or I will make use of that and do these things instead, right? The spiritual weather is like you're looking outside and it might rain. Okay, I want to go out. So let me bring umbrella because I am prepared. The spiritual weather allows you to prepare yourself, right? Or let's say you're going to a job interview and that person, I don't know his mood or emotional state or whatever. I send my God to touch this guy and come back and give me a feedback. Hey, how's the chi flow of this guy right now? Oh, his chi flow is in a gold phase. Okay, what that means is very still and not moving. So that means he's stubborn. He's going to be like standing very strong on his point. He's not going to be persuaded. He's not going to think. He won't give a whatever about me. Okay. So if I want a job, right, I have to prepare that this guy is very stubborn. He's not going to like, think about what I will sell to him. Instead, I have to just present what he wants, right? So you change the way how you present, and then it will increase the chance of him liking you and hiring you. There's so many ways to do divinations and get like information that is not possible to like see with your eyes or with the physical side. It's something inside, right? The feeling, the thoughts, the chi, all that stuff you don't know. Like, oh, for example, you just went outside and maybe dated your first boyfriend or something, right? Okay, you want to know how is he like inside right now? Is he like really liking me? How is our date? How did it turn out? You can do a divination to check. Okay, something that has been done, and then I just send my God to the boyfriend or girlfriend. Hey, I do a div. Now I understand based on the divination. My God's telling me, okay, he like you on the surface, but inside he's not really sure yet. And yet, I believe he will change and it will be good. Okay, with that information, I feel better, right? So you can use these information to plan your next step. Okay? Divination is about talking to the God, getting the God opinions, and most importantly, working with the God so that you can plan for the future. It's not about fortune telling, as in like something already is like all plotted, set, and you just, okay, that's how it is. I'm not doing this. And then it's not like that. Okay. So remember to keep watching the series. And if you want to really learn the good stuff and get like really good progress, right? Come into our lineage. Okay. You can get ordained, get initiated, go to our website, tinjee.com, join us, and you can learn. We teach every day. Yeah, every day. Okay. Online, on Zello, there's like many platforms that we use to teach. So if you are the type that really like learning stuff, this is your paradise. Okay. And I want to emphasize one thing. Going into like our lineage, okay, for me, myself personally, I already had enough of people who are goofing around, come in and like just do nothing and just, they believe something will happen and then they will just improve their life. No, it's not like that. Okay. So if you're looking for shortcuts, you're looking for like, I just enter and everything will be fine, this place is not for you. Okay. I do not like that kind of disciple. Don't come in. I want disciple who come in and say, I want to learn, I'm serious about learning, and I'm here to absorb all the information. And of course, I want them to be humble as well, right? So that's why I'm saying it here. So just in case, if you're not that type, don't come in. Okay, I don't need disciples. But if you want to learn, welcome to come in and try it out. Okay, so we'll see you in the next episode. Make sure you bookmark the playlist, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.